بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
والسماء ذات البروج.
By the oath of the sky which contains the great stars,
واليوم الموعود.
and by that day which is promised,
وشاهد ومشهود.
and by that day which is a witness, and by that day in which the people present themselves.
قتل أصحاب الأخدود.
May the people of the trench of fire be cursed who tortured the believers,
النار ذات الوقود.
those who lit that blazing fire,
إذ هم عليها قعود.
when they were sitting at its borders,
وهم على ما يفعلون بالمؤمنين شهود.
and they themselves are witnesses to what they were doing to the Muslims.
وما نقموا منهم إلا أن يؤمنوا بالله العزيز الحميد.
And what did they dislike of the Muslims except this, that they believed in Allah, the most honorable, the most praiseworthy?
الذي له ملك السماوات والأرض والله على كل شيء شهيد.
That to only Him belongs the kingdom of the heavens and the earth, and Allah is witness upon everything.
إن الذين فتنوا المؤمنين والمؤمنات ثم لم يتوبوا فلهم عذاب جهنم ولهم عذاب الحريق.
Indeed, those who tortured the Muslim men and the Muslim women and then did not repent, for them is the punishment of hell, and for them is the punishment of the fire.
إن الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لهم جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار ذلك الفوز الكبير.
Indeed, those who believed and did good deeds, for them are gardens beneath which streams flow. This is the great success.
إن بطش ربك لشديد.
Indeed, the grip of your Lord is very severe.
إنه هو يبدئ ويعيد.
Indeed, it is He who originates creation and then repeats it.
وهو الغفور الودود.
And only He is the forgiving, the loving to His pious bondsmen.
ذو العرش المجيد.
The owner of the throne, He is the respected.
فعال لما يريد.
He always does whatever He wills.
هل أتاك حديث الجنود.
Did the story of the armies reach you?
فرعون وثمود.
Which armies? The armies of Fir'aun and Thamud.
بل الذين كفروا في تكذيب.
Rather, the disbelievers are busy in belying.
والله من ورائهم محيط.
And Allah is encompassing them from their backs.
بل هو قرآن مجيد.
Rather, it is a magnificently excellent Quran.
في لوح محفوظ.
Written in the preserved tablet.
صدق الله العظيم.